So what we're going to do is we're going to get your fixed resource for each team. It's going to be the amount of paper you get. I'm John Kruggel. I'm a lecturer in the economics department, and I'm also the director of the Center for Economic Education. Big picture, what students hopefully get out of the Introduction to Microeconomics class is, I look at it like, if you're running a business or if you want to start your own business, do you understand the way that the cost of production work? Do you understand the decision-making process that you would go through, either as a worker or as an employer, and how that affects the business? Your client wants an airplane, okay? Try to make it look kind of like an airplane, and it's got to hit the target. Ready, set, go. I'm a big believer in something called retrieval practice, where we will introduce a concept, and then I will try to come back to that concept throughout the week, and then come back another week later, and then we assess students on that concept. And so the paper airplane activity, that was a way to illustrate the concept of diminishing returns as you add workers to your production. What happens to the productivity? 3, 2, 1, time, hands up. All right, how many did we get?
The paper airplane thing was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun.
It kind of showed how large-scale economic theory kind of goes back into just simple human decision-making.
I'd say the best part about the class is always going to be Professor Kruggel. It always kind of feels more like a conversation at class, which is pretty unique. The guy talks to you. He's very relatable, and he understands how to break it down for beginners.